Today's project is a Cobra mod called Lava. All paracord used is 4mm thick. Starting out with a 2-strand cord consisting of one strand at 15 inches or 38.1 centimeters, melt together to form a loop, connected to form the core. Okay, we're using a black, red, and red. Both of them are 60 inches long, 152.4 centimeters. And we're using fidge to make it easier. And here's some other stuff you might need. Okay, let's do it. Okay, going through the side of the cow hitch. Coming up from behind through the slot and down to the loop. Out to the left side. And here we go. The black red go over the top to the left. From the left goes over that one, underneath, up through the loop on the right side. Standard Cobra tie. The first one. And from the left goes over. Right goes over the left, underneath, up from the bottom, through the loop, on the left side. And we're tightening. Now, pull the red from underneath to the side. The black red comes underneath, the red from the right, then in between 1 and 2, and then goes over to the right side, down through that loop. And tighten. From the left side, the mirror image. Okay, now the red from the right side over, then left over that, underneath, and up through the loop on the right side, and tighten down, and from the left side goes over, then the right goes over that, underneath, up through the loop on the left side. Now take the red black side from underneath into the sides, right and left. The red from the right side comes underneath the black red, and then up in between 1 and 2, down to the right through the loop you made, and tighten. Mirror image on the left side. And there you go, you've seen both knots of this weave. Now we'll continue and follow along. If I go too fast, slow it down.
Colors bright, patterns tight, working through the day and night. Friendship bound, woven tight, Paracord bracelets in the light. Knot by knot, we're shaping fate. Hands of time won't hesitate. Twist and turn, it's never late. Creating magic at the gate. At the gate. Creating magic at the gate. Under the sun, hands work hard till the day is done. Braided dreams, memories spun. Paracord creations just for fun. Beads and knots, it's how we roll. Crafting life makes us whole. Oh, every bracelet tells a story. In the crafts lies our glory. Braid dreams with our hands, tied with hope in distant lands. Cool stuff made with sweat and love, crafting miracles from above. Colors bright, patterns tight, working through the day and night. Friendship bound, woven tight, Paracord bracelets in the light. We're shaping fate. Hands of time won't hesitate. Twist and turn, it's never late. Creating magic at the gate. Beats a jingle in the breeze. Cool creations that aim to please. Passion woven in the strands. Life's orchestra without demands. Tied with hope in distant lands. Cool stuff made with sweat and love, crafting miracles from above. Colors bright, patterns tight, working through the day and night. Friendship bound, woven tight, Paracord bracelets in the light. Knot by knot, we're shaping fate. Hands of time won't hesitate. Twist and turn, it's never late. Creating magic at the gate. At the gate. Creating magic at the gate. Beats that jingle in the breeze. Cool creations that aim to please. Passion woven in the strands. Life's orchestra without demands.